Hey. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a makeup look, actually, a very detailed tutorial, because like I usually just like do the look and I just skip on like explaining like what I'm using. So I was like, you know what, let me be like a YouTuber, you know, and just do my makeup like properly. All these glasses, cause duh, in the way. I look cute. I haven't made my beauty blender. Ugh, I'm gonna have to go and wear it. Ugh, missions. Okay, yes, okay. So I'm using a primer by Maybelline. It's this baby skin primer. Let me go with my beauty blender. My beauty sponge. I keep saying blender. I need to stop saying blender because it's not a beauty blender. It is not a beauty blender. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows next. I'm using this brow pencil by Essence. Hey. Oh. This is why I can never say I'm a makeup artist. I can never say I'm a makeup artist. Look at that. Do you see that? Should I close my window? Yes. And then I'm just gonna take this and blend that out. This beauty sponge is from Real Techniques, and so is my other one. And then just kind of try to blend out my brows, or the concealer on my brows. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this Yardley Absolute Translucent Loose Powder, and I'm going to put that on my eyes to set the concealer. I'm not being careful about like how I do it, as long as it's on my eyelids, because it's loose powder. Like, you can just wipe it off. I'm gonna take this brush. I got this from Boho Chic. You can check them out on Instagram. I don't know if they're still in stock. If they're out, surely they'll have more sometime. I got them for $2.50, and they're super soft and super affordable, like no regrets. These are the brushes I've been using like in all my videos. Cool. Now I can start with my eye. I'm wearing this, and then I'm gonna put on a different wig. I'm gonna take this blending brush by Beauty Treats. I got these brushes as a gift from a friend. Like, if you don't want to get me ever, just get me makeup stuff. Literally anything that's makeup related. You can never go wrong. Even if you think, oh, what if she has it? I can never have enough. Ever. So I'm just gonna, it's very pigmented. Very pretty. And I'm just gonna put that on my crease, like directly where my crease is. And what you do to the one side, you do to the other. That's probably the only thing I ever learned in math. Ever. I feel like God couldn't let me be good at math. He was like, that's gonna be too much. Like, it's gonna be too much. He knew I'd be unstoppable. I'd be too powerful if I was good at math. So he was like, no, let's just hold back a little bit. Like, we can't give her everything. I sound so conceited. I promise I'm not. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this gold color here. It's from the Rimmel palette over there. I'm gonna use a flat my brush. I want to use this flat concealer brush. This is also by, I can see some concealer there. This is also by, it's from Boho Chic. I'm going to use that. Just want to spray some water. See, I'm taking some. Just like that. Yo. That was one swipe. One. Rimmel. Boy. Shout out. I've been sleeping on you, no lie. I've been tossing. So cute. Super cute. Let me just blend a bit more and like do touch-ups and stuff. So to make sure that it kind of blends better, I take the same brush I used for this orange, dip a bit more into the palette and put it onto the gold. So now what I'm gonna do is, I don't want it to be like too much there. I'm gonna take this cotton bud, it's Dove. You can get this anywhere, really. I got this from Pick and Pay. I'm gonna take this makeup removing cleansing wipe thing. Holy grail, I swear, I can't live without this. Like, I bought this small one. I need to buy the big one now because I was just testing it out and it's amazing. Like, your makeup comes off so quickly and easily, and it feels like water. It has no scent. That's what my eyes are looking at right now. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. I don't know where I got this. Probably Clicks, that's where I get everything. It's this jewel liner brand. Yo, it came off. It says Disco Jewel something eyeliner. I don't know the brand. And then I'll put on mascara. I'm not putting on lashes. It's too much. So that's it for my eyes. Put on some more primer over here where I was wiping. Very important to put primer on my eye bags because they will dry out. And we don't want your eye bags drying out because then it gets all like crumbly. And then that looks ugly to say the least. I'm gonna put on foundation. And I want my foundation to be like skin-like. So I'm gonna take the Yush. This is my Estee Lauder Double Wear Light Stay in Place Makeup SPF 10. I might mix it with my Smashbox one though, which is this. And it says it's the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. So I think I'm gonna use both of them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour 1 pump of this. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That pump was a lot. And then a bit of this. I'm gonna use this brush by Real Techniques. It's the Pro something something brush. Ooh, I hope that's my color. That doesn't look like my color. Let's see. Oh damn. Oh damn. That is my color. Hectic. Very hectic. I'm just gonna blend that out. Concealer. So I'm gonna use my Aloe Vera concealer in pure beige instead of medium beige. And here we go. I'm just gonna conceal. Cool. Alright, I'm ready my sponge again. Sponge, I got it right. I'm gonna take this pointy side and I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, so this is the color Toast, which is dark. That's pretty dark. I'm gonna mix that in with toffee. In the back of my hand. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush. I don't really put it there. I want my cheekbones to be like, yeah. Like I said, trust the process. Not to blend. Okay, I'm not done, but I'm gonna use this powder again. I'm gonna use that so hard for myself. I'm gonna use these sponges. I got them from Pick and Pay. I don't know, maybe like 20 bucks. Like, no joke. Like 20 bucks for like 5 of these. Yo, that is not even. Oh well. And then I'm going to use this big fluffy brush to move the powder from there. I don't want that to stay for too long. This mascara is by Essence. It's called the I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I rave about it in every video. It's amazing. I don't even have bottom lashes. Hey, I'm gonna go back into eyeshadow and I'm gonna take the orange and put it under my eyes. I probably should have done this before mascara. And ow. This is so freaking refreshing. Wow. I'm gonna grab some highlight, and then finish up. Taking this lip liner by Essence. It says soft contouring lip liner. This is number 10. Miss You Much. I think that's what it's called. It's like this dark purple color. that's done. I'm gonna put on some lip stuff if I can find it. Liquid lipstick, it's nude. I got it from Legit. And then for a glossy look, I'm gonna put on some lip balm. This right here. And that's it for makeup. I'm just gonna finish doing my hair and everything, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I just put on my wig. Yeah, that was everything done. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I don't really do tutorials that much. Don't know why. Because I actually enjoy them a lot. And that's my makeup. And let me just go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.